जब नक्शा बनाए जाते हैं तो उसमें मुख्तलिफ कंपोनेंट्स का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इसमें से एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो कंपोनेंट है वो उसके डायरेक्शंस हैं। सो एक नक्शा जिस पे अगर डायरेक्शन शो ना की गई हों तो उसको हम नक्शा नहीं कह सकते। तो हर नक्शे का एक शुमाल होता है, जनूब, इसी तरह से वेस्ट और उसकी ईस्ट की डायरेक्शंस होती हैं। तो किसी भी मकाम की आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए ज़रूरी है कि वहाँ पर उसके कॉर्डिनल पॉइंट्स को या उसकी सिमतों को वाज़े तौर पर दिखाया जा सके। So there are four major cardinal points or directions of the compass. So the most important are north, then south, west and east. तो जिसे हम शुमाल, जनूब, मगरब और मशरक का नाम देते हैं. So in this slide we have one of the region of the world which is called the South Asia. To the south of South Asia is the Indian Ocean. So here we have the cardinal points of the South Asian countries. So to the north of South Asia is actually the highland which is called the Himalaya. To the western side of South Asia is the Western Mountain, and one of the most important mountain of the western side is Hindu Kush. To the eastern side of South Asia is again the mountain covered area. So the three sides of South Asia, the north, west and east, are covered with the mountain. So this is called the mountain locked region. The southern side is covered with the water, so is a water and mountain locked area. So that's why the cardinal points of any country or any region is very important. So these are the major cardinal points: the north, the south, the west and east. But other directions are also very important. These are called the intercardinal or ordinal directions, which are the northeast, the southeast, the southwest and northwest. So these are intercardinal or ordinal directions which are very important for the location of the country. Like to the northeastern side of the Pakistan is the district of Lahore. Similarly, the south of the country is covered with the Indian Ocean, but the Arabian Sea is very important. Now, furthermore, the other minor directions are also very important in the compass. These are called the intermediate directions, or every set of intercardinal and cardinal direction is called a secondary intercardinal directions, like north, north, east. So is a minor direction which is between north and northeast. So it's called the north, northeast. Same is the case with east, northeast. So it's closer to the east, so that's why is called the east, northeast. So again we have example of the southwest, but the both side of the southwest is covered with the south-southwest because it is closer to the south, so that's why it's called the south-southwest. And west-southwest is closer to the western side of the area, so it's called the west-southwest. Now this slide is actually showing you the magnetic compass is an instrument used for navigation and orientation that shows direction relative to the geographic cardinal directions or compass rose. The north mark on compass rose rarely points to north. North correspond to 0 degree and angles increases clockwise. So east is 90 degrees, south is 180 and west is 270 degrees. The degrees increases to the right side of the compass, or we can say is a clockwise rise. The eastern side, as we have already discussed, 90 called 90 degree. The southern side is 180 degree. The western side 280 degrees, and the 0 is also called the 360 degree angle. So compass is very important for the location of the any place. So in magnetic compass we are dealing with the geographical north, which is to the north of the globe.